February 2014. Employability skills. Which one is the input device of the computer? Keyboard. EPROM stands for Electronically Programmable Read-Only Memory. Which one of the following is an example of operating system? Microsoft Windows. Which one of the command is used to close the all Windows OS shutdown? What is the function to control panel option? It allows to make changes to the current setting on the computer. The shortcut key to select the whole document in MS Word, Ctrl+A. The radio button on quick access tool bar is used to repeat the action just completed. What is the function of slideshow view in option in MS PowerPoint? To display the views without menus or toolbar. The extension of WAN is Web Area Network. Which type of modem is a circuit board that can be added to the computer? Wireless modem. Fill in the blanks with a suitable tense verb. I write my final exam yesterday. I wrote my final exam yesterday. What is the appropriate response for the following getting Ram? Hi, I am Ram. How are you? I have joined as tool engineer. Hi, I am fine. Nice meeting you. I am Vinci. I work as a system engineer. Fill in the blanks with a suitable preposition from the given choice. The book were kept on the table. Choose an appropriate WH question for the following sentence. I live in Bombay. Where do you live? Read the following memo and answer the question given below. To SITCEC staff from HR manager, date October 2013. Subject staff meeting to announce training program. I am pleased to announce that the 2-week training program will start from October 20, 2013. There will be a meeting to introduce trainees and scheduled at 11 a.m. on October 17, 2013. Please join me to discuss the training program arrangement. Please share this announcement with all staffs immediately. When is the staff meeting going to be held? October 17, 2013. Prakash is a fresh diploma holder attending an interview. He was asked by the interviewer, where do you see yourself 5 years from now? Which one of the following do you think is the best answer? 5 years, I believe I would resign to the position of the project leader. Hello Pradeep, this is Suleiman. My colleague John told me that Raja called me at 11. Is he available? In this conversation, identify the sender and the receiver of the message. Sender is Suleiman, receiver Pradeep. What is the problem in the following message? Come and collect your daughter's report card on October 20, 2013 at 11 a.m. from the class teacher. It is too short. The problem is It is too short. Identify where you would come across the following message. Kindly consider my application favorably and give me an opportunity to prove my credential at a personal discussion. Job application letter. Deepa, who is working in a software institute, receives a call from student asking for the director who's gone out. Which of the following would be a suitable response over the telephone? I am sorry, the director is not available at the moment. May I take a message for him? Frame a WH question for the following sentence. What is your favorite holiday? For my favorite holiday place is OT. What is your favorite holiday place? Fill in the blanks with suitable comparative adjective. Ram is taller than Syam. Comparative adjective. What is the long form this SMS short form? TYI. For your information. Words that shows the action is called as verbs. Which one is the barrier to speaking? Nervousness.